Hi everybody, this is Larry with your WTR Quick Rundown on USA Clean Master. Offering cleaning services for approximately 10 years, USA Clean Master focuses primarily on heavy-duty cleaning, giving customers easy access to things like hardwood floor care, mattress cleaning, and carpet cleaning. USA Clean Master utilizes a wide range of high-tech products, including trucks that are fully equipped with everything cleaners need to tackle your home. Great pricing and green cleaning services are also a plus with USA Clean Master. However, though USA Clean Master has good pricing, they do not offer quotes online, forcing you to have a technician visit your home to give you the quote. Some customers have complained that due to USA Clean Master having high-tech machinery, their cleaning is sometimes too fast and not thorough enough. Bottom line, USA Clean Master is an excellent starting point if you'd prefer to use the same company for a whole range of deep cleaning and specialized cleaning services for your home. Please visit watchthereview.com for more in-depth reviews.